Hi everybody, I hope that you are having a great moment and welcome to Learning English with Diana. So, let's start with the lesson of today. Let's see the date of today. The date of today is April 30th, 2020. So, the topic of today is about grammar and I hope that you will pay attention about this. And the topic is simple present tense, right? Okay, so before explaining about the structure of this, I want to explain you something about this. The verbs in simple present with first, second, and third person. First, we have first and second person that are I, you, they, and we. And then we have third person that are she, he, it. Okay, in first and second person, we use this verb. I eat, you eat, they eat, and we eat. Now, in third person, listen and pay attention to this one because this is so important. If you say she eat, this one is wrong. Why? Because you have to say she eats. This one is correct because there is a grammar rule in this one that is you have to add s to the verb in simple present to the third person. So, in the rest should be he eats and it is. This is the correct form of the verb in simple present, right? Okay, now let's see the structure of simple present in affirmative way. If you want to have a perfect and good sentence in simple present in affirmative way, you need first subject plus verb in simple present plus complement and plus period. So listen, period. The sentence must have period. If you don't write period at the end of the sentence, this one it is not correct. Right? Okay. So let's see the example. Mario plays football every day. They enjoy the festival. Right? Okay. Now let's see the structure of simple present in negative way. You need first subject plus so that is negative way. So you need don't or doesn't because it is negative plus complement plus period, right? Okay, so now with don't or doesn't, we have first and second person that are I, you, they, and we. And with these pronouns, we use don't. And in the third person, we have she, he, and it. And with these pronouns, we use doesn't. Okay? So now let's see the examples. He doesn't play football. I don't play chess. Right? Okay. Now let's see the structure of simple present in question way. First, we need do or does plus subject plus complement plus plus verb in simple present plus complement plus this is important because this is a question, so you need question mark, right? Okay, now the examples. Do you play basketball? Does she eat pizza? Okay, so now that we already know the structure of simple present in affirmative, negative, and question waves, let's see in which moment we have to use simple present in the real life. And here I have some situations. First, express general truth. In this one is something that you are saying that is true. For example, I feel very cold. Other example can be, I want a hamburger, right? Second one, habits. Habits, it's about something that you do every day, like daily routines. For example, I have breakfast in the morning every day. Other examples should be I go to the gym every day. Okay? So next one. Next one is permanent situation, something that we already know that person is doing. For example, he works in a bank. And the last one, giving instruction. For example, open the book in the page 32. Other example can be open the door, close the door. So now in this situation you have to use simple present. So now that we already know the structure of simple present, in which moment we have to use simple present, let's do this exercise. We have a chart that we can see positive, negative, and questions. And we have some sentences. So let's see the first one. The first one, it is in positive way. And it says, he watches TV. The second one, it is in negative. And it says, they don't read books. Next one, it is a question. And it is, does she like the house? Next one, it is a positive again. You go to the gym every day. And the last one, it is negative. And it is, this dog doesn't like to eat meat. So in this chart, you have to complete with the correct sentence using simple present and with the correct structure. If you want, we can do it together, right? So let's do the first one. The first one, we already have the positive sentence. That is, he watches TV. So the negative should be, he doesn't watch TV. And the question should be, does he watch TV? Right? So next one. In the next one, we just have the negative form. That is, they don't read books. So I think the positive should be, they read books, right? Okay. And the question should be, do they read books? Right? Okay. Next one. We have the question and it is, does she like the house? So I think the positive should be, she likes the house. And the negative should be, she doesn't like the house. So next one. We have the positive way. And the sentence says, you go to the gym every day. So I think the negative way should be, you don't go to the gym every day. And the question should be, do you go to the gym every day? Now, let's do the last one. The last one, we have a negative sentence and says, this dog doesn't like to eat meat. So the positive, it should be, this dog likes to eat meat. And the question should be, does this dog like to eat meat? Right? So now that we already know the structure, in which moment we have to use simple present, and we already did this exercise, I hope that you really enjoyed this class. And now let's practice simple present in everything that you can do. Thank you so much, and I see you in the next lesson.